This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. Okay, so moving on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. Always remember trading is simple. The trader is the one who makes it difficult. Okay, so we're going to see how true that is. We're going to flip over to our charts. And see how simple it is to definitely do the trading for today. Okay, so we have our 4 rules of trading. Pay yourself first. Make sure you have your stop loss in at your entry point. We do not place buy or sell orders when the 5th-period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. And patience is our 4th rule of trading. Okay, so let's move on to EUR USD. Okay, so in this particular market, friends, rule number 3 is in effect. We missed our window. We're going to do rule number 3, rule number 4. We're just going to wait this market out. GBP USD. Okay, friends, this is also rule number 3. No buy, no sell zone. Okay, we're not buying or we're not placing any new sell orders unless you're already in this market. Otherwise, we're staying out. USD CHF. This is a sell market. We're still selling this market, friends. Pullbacks are happening here, but we're going to be patiently waiting, okay, for the market to head south. USD JPY. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect, friends. There's a lot of markets where we're not going to be placing any new orders because of rule number 3, but there's a lot of markets that we are in. Okay, so let's look at EUR CHF. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's not currently in this market. Everyone else, this is a buy. We've been buying this market and we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market today. EUR GBP. This is a buy market. We got our buy order in. We're hoping the market will rally tomorrow. It looks like it probably will. Once the market starts to rally, we're going to go ahead and drop our stop loss in at our entry point, but we're just going to be patient. EUR JPY. Okay, friends, this market went to sell. Right now, the market is pulling back. I would probably be patient on placing another sell order. I would just wait for right now because of the major pullbacks. GBP CHF. Okay, friends, this was a sell market. So if you're not already in it, go ahead and put in your sell stop order. GBP JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. Okay, CHF JPY. Okay, friends, rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell, okay? So now we're going to take a look at our oil markets. So all of these markets were a buy market. They all pull back, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out of the market. So that went for Brent crude, and then there was Brent spot. We're not in that market any longer. WTI crude, we're not in that market any longer because the market pulled back our stop loss. And WTI spot, we are not in that market right now. Okay, so let's move over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still a buy market. Very slow moving market right now, but it is a buy market. ETH USD, this is another buy market. Slow moving as it is, but it is a buy market. LTC USD. Okay, friends, rule number 3 is in effect. Everyone else who put their buy trade in, go ahead and pay yourselves. Okay, we're going to take a look at the silver market. The silver market was a buy market. Major pullbacks happened in this market, but the trend has not changed on us yet. So we're just going to be patient. In the event that with these pullbacks that the trend changes, we'll go ahead, take our minor loss, and we will reposition. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at gold. So the gold market is okay. That's a buy market, friends. We were actually in the gold market. There were some major pullbacks that happened in this gold market and actually knocked us out. So no loss. Um, so we're not in the gold market anymore. We're going to wait and see if the trend changes because of these pullbacks that are happening. And so a lot is happening in the world scenes. There's a lot of strings that are being pulled in these markets. So which is contributing to the different rallies and the different pullbacks. Okay, we as traders, we do not have access to all the information that pertains to a country's currency in order to know how to trade it. But what we do have is our charts in front of us. They are our guides. They tell us when to buy, when to sell. Okay, USD MXN, this is another sell market, which we're going to pay ourselves off of. EURNOK. Now, friends, this was a buy market that we were in. Pullbacks happen in this market, knocked us out the market. So if you wish to get back into this market, should be buy stop orders only, okay? EURZAR. Now, this particular market is a beautiful buy market, and hopefully you got your buy trades in to that market, okay? Make sure you got your stop loss in there because we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market. USD NOK. Rule number 3 is in effect, so no buy, no sell. USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect for that market as well. USD SGD. This is a sell market. We've been selling since the inception, since the trend changed from buy to sell. And as I always say, some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in early, drop in our order, and write it down and pay ourselves off of it every single day if you have a large enough lot size and account balance. USD ZAR. This is a sell market. We had a sell order in here, friends, but the market has pulled back tremendously. It has never even hit our sell order. The market has not changed as of yet. The trend has not changed. In the event that the trend changes, we're just going to go ahead and pull out our sell order and reposition with a buy order. Okay. So CHD, CHF. This is a beautiful sell market. Been selling this since the inception, since the trend changed in this market. We're paying ourselves also. CAD, JPY. This is another sell market, friends, that we're going to pay ourselves off of. Everyone else who are currently not in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. EURCAD. This is a buy market. We're buying it. We're paying ourselves, friends. I would not put a new buy order in for those who are not currently in this market because of the pullbacks that are happening. But for everyone else, we're going to be paying ourselves. GBP CAD. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect for those who are not currently in this market. The rest of us who got in early, we have our buy order in there. We're just going to pay ourselves today. USD CAD. This is a sell market. We had our sell order in, friends. The market never pulled down to even hit our sell order. So we're just going to be patient and wait. AUD CAD. This is a buy market, friends. Where we're buying it, the market pulled back on us. So we're going to have to wait and see. The trend hasn't changed yet. So we're still going to keep our buy order in there until the market tells us that we are in the wrong direction. AUD CHF. This is a buy market as well, friends. Pullbacks have happened in this market as well, but the trend has not changed. So we only change when the market tells us to change. So we're just going to leave our buy order in there. It never triggered, friends. It's just still sitting up there, never triggered. When the market changes, we'll pull out our buy order. We will reposition with a sell order. AUD JPY. Okay, this rule number 3 is in effect for those who are not currently in this one, but everyone else who have their sell trade going, pay yourselves. Okay. So now we're going to look at AUD NZD. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are not currently in this market. Everyone else, pay yourselves. AUD, USD. Rule number 3 is in effect. Everyone else, pay yourselves, okay? Make sure you got your stop loss in at your entry point because things are pulling back on this market. EUR, AUD. This is a sell market, friends. We have it hit our sell order, but then it pulled back on us. So we have to wait and see if this should come back down, if this should head south, but we got to be patient. EUR, NZD. This is a buy market. We were in this market, but then pullbacks happen, and it knocked us out of this market. But if you want to get back in it, make sure it's a buy stop order only. GBP, AUD is rule number 3, friends, not touching that market. GBP, NZD. This is a sell market. We're selling it. It did pull back on us. We're just going to have to wait and see. Rule number 4, patience. And let's see if this market will head south. NZD, CAD. This is a buy market. The market is pulling back, friends, so it's never hit our buy order. So we're just going to be patient and wait and see. The market will let us know. NZD, CHF. This is another buy market where pullbacks have happened and it never hit our buy order. So we're just going to be patient. We wait on the market to tell us what to do. We don't listen to news or anything like that. We wait on the market. Okay, NZD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. Nothing, we're not touching that. NZD, USD. This is another market that we are not touching. NZD, USD, we're not touching it. And then US 30 index or the Dow Jones index. Rule number 3 is still in effect with this market. And then the S&P 500. This is this was a buy market. Everyone else, you go ahead and pay yourselves. Everyone else who are not currently in this market, you're going to go ahead and stay out of it, okay? US Tech Index. Okay, friends, this is a buy market, and we're going to pay ourselves off of this market today. Pay yourselves. Japan Index. This is a sell market. We placed our sell order in there, friends, but the market has continued to pull back and has never hit our sell order. So we're just going to be patient and see how this turns out. If these major pullbacks are going to create a trend change, if so, we're going to go ahead and reposition. DE30 index or the DEX index. Okay, friends, this is another buy market. The market has not rallied to even hit our buy order. It could be because there's a holiday coming up, friends. So so maybe after the holiday, these markets will really start to rally. But for right now, there's a lot of sluggishness. Okay, and then UK 100 index. This is a beautiful buy market, and I hope you got your buy orders in there and that you can pay yourselves nicely today. So that will conclude our chart analysis where we were able to pay ourselves nicely from about maybe about 10 charts. The rest of the charts we're waiting on. So we will be back next week for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.